Romeo taking 3-3 for immediate departure, Brookhaven.
Thank you, sir. Have a safe flight.
You have a good evening.
Yeah, I only have to ask you about your tail number.
New York approach November 758 Foxtrot Romeo.
November 758 Foxtrot Romeo, New York approach.
I'm VFR Cessna 172, approximately 3 nautical miles due north of Hotel Whiskey Victor. I'm at 2.0 looking for 4.5 with flight following to November 45.
November 758 Foxtrot Romeo, squawk 4376 and ident.
4376 and all ident.
Whiskey.
It's Dave Jensen.
It's Dave?
Yeah, Commodore State 77.
What does he say to you?
Twisty, calls me Twisty. That's my handle. Did I ever tell you why?
Why? Park. I think the Deer Park, I take the 180 radio to the South Pax area, like advisory.
When he was teaching me,
Terminal State 77, squawk 4357 and
I was in the pattern doing everything the way you're supposed to, and a guy came in the pattern unannounced and cut in front of me, and I went nuts on him on the radio, started screaming at him on the radio. And Dave goes, "You're all twisted, that's your handle from now on, Twisty." I was screaming at this guy.
180, we'll go to the Pax area and do some maneuvers now, man. Commodore State 77.
Roger. Number 758 Foxtrot Romeo, radar contact 7 miles north of Brookhaven, islip altimeters 3014.
3014, 758 Foxtrot Romeo.
Number 758 Foxtrot Romeo, contact approach 124.07.
124.07, good day.
Southwest 2310, leveling here at 7,000.
Southwest 2310, New York approach, the
Approach 758 Foxtrot Romeo, checking in at 4.5.
Foxtrot Romeo, Westchester altimeter 3016.
16 on the altimeter, 58 Foxtrot Romeo.
Yeah, that's about right. See, our flight path takes us right through the Carmel VOR, and we're right on it. Looking good.
Nice night. Very smooth air.
Yeah, I see how flat the water is. See, there's 317. You're right on 317, sir.
There was an update for this that I did. When was the last time I used it? Like,
yeah, you got the update for the new Arrow. Yeah, it's awesome. What you'll see is when you scroll in, it'll increase. It's a dynamic map. So, like, if you scrolled into Danbury, right? Watch what happens. As you scroll into Danbury, It brings up the taxi.
Oh, wow, the taxi and the runway. That's cool. That's really cool.
It brings up what you need as you get closer.
Yeah,
so
that's very cool.
Isn't that cool?
That's a great resource.
I think it's really cool. You don't have to
cool.
keep hitting the buttons around.
Yeah, neat. Like, I noticed this wasn't on there before. I don't know what FBL is.
That's the flight plan. That's what it's for.
Okay.
Let's see how these are lit up now.
Yeah.
With the, and this is lit up different color.
Yep.
Yeah.
Why are they different colors?
Because that's Charlie, that's Bravo.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
That's kind of neat.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. They say this is the first update they're going to do, but they have so many plans for dynamic mapping. They say it's the future of mapping. So, like these whole VFR print ones is in the background, but they're hoping to make it the whole thing dynamic. That way updates are constant.
Yeah. Pretty neat.
Two Charlie, descend at 3,000.
It's getting squirrely, means we're right over it.
Yeah.
New York, November 2.
There we go. There you go.
2 Charlie, 6,000.
Have you got the from indication?
Charlie, descend at 3,000, over.
Send to maintain 3,000, November 2012 Charlie.
Options 354, VFR traffic's over Carmel, northwestbound 4,500 feet, my
That's us.
control.
Options 354.
Options 354, additional traffic, IFR is a helicopter, 11 o'clock, 7 miles opposite direction at 6,000.
Right, options 354.
Odds 3871, maintain 8,000, proceed to Rex Sparta.
Rex Sparta, Wisconsin, 3871.
012 Charlie, reset transponder, squawk 1373.
1373, 2012 Charlie.
AC 5061, contact 134, point niner.
349 or AC 5060.
33345, descend to 4,000.
4,000 Mercury 3345.
812 Charlie, depart Harp intersection, heading
Guy's got his work cut out for him tonight.
Yeah, all these guys are close to that corridor. They're always busy.
Direction 5,000, Eclipse jet.
Looking for the jet, sub 1 Papa Sierra.
Traffic 8 o'clock, 2 nautical miles, 500 feet above.
3871, contact 11817.
1817.
That guy's going behind us. Guy's behind us.
Pick a site for sub 1 Papa Sierra. We'll maintain visual separation.
Heading 4,000.
I was looking at, they said that the
Number 8 Foxtrot Romeo, contact New York 13275.
13275, good day.
November 1812 Charlie, turn right 270.
270 on the heading, 1812 Charlie.
Number 2012 Charlie, flying at 170.
70, November 2012 Charlie.
Number 360.
Nick approach 758 Foxtrot Romeo, checking it at 4.5.
58 Foxtrot Romeo, Roger Stewart, altimeter is 3020.
3020, 758 Foxtrot Romeo. Yep. Oh, that's right. Yeah, here we go.
there you go. Tells you how the weather changes just a little further north.
Yeah.
That low is off the shore there.
Well, I don't see it, but it's got to be right in front of us.
It's 15 miles.
Just on the other side of that mountain?
No, before the mountain.
Before the mountain.
30 Victor, turn right heading 240.
Yeah, so before the mountain, you'll see the...
240, 30.
These are the mountains. I think it's right in here.
6 from Popo,
See, it's 15 miles there?
Yeah.
You're right in this valley here.
Yep.
Cleared for the ILS 27 Stewart, maintain BFR at all times, 30 Victor.
30 Victor, just verify you have Charlie.
We had Bravo, I'll listen to Charlie right now.
So if you're going to come in, you're either going to have to drop down after the Delta or come around it. You don't want to drop into the Stewart Delta at 3,000. Or you could probably drop down to 3,500 or whatever, 3,000. Right,
Well, as long as he clears me for a descent, I'm all right.
Bravo still broadcasting.
No, not if you're going through the Delta.
I thought if he cleared you for the descent, you're okay.
No, they have to clear. What they'll do is they'll ask if you're going to go through the Delta. They'll say contact Stewart. Yeah. You can do that. You can contact Stewart and ask to transition the Delta. You can do that.
300 to join. 30 Victor.
12457.
Southwestbound, showing about a mile and a half south of it.
Yeah, received. Thank you.
You just want to tell them.
Nick approach, request a frequency change to Stewart.
Call New York.
758 Foxtrot Romeo, I'd like a frequency change to Stewart to get a clearance through the Delta.
Just stay with me, I'll have it for you.
He'll give it to you.
Roger.
So then we can go back. That's good, so that way you don't have to talk to them.
Yeah.
Fox Romeo, you clear through the Delta on your descent.
Clear through the Delta on a descent, 758 Foxtrot Romeo, thank you.
530 Victor, you established on the log?
Yeah, my experience has been most of the time they'll clear you if you ask them.
Broken 10,000. Temperature 24.
Yeah, but you have to tell them otherwise.
Oh yeah, you do have to tell them.
2020, thanks for the weather.
Yeah, so you can see the runway for Duchess right there.
Yeah.
Hey, so it's got to be in this shit over here somewhere.
58 Fox Romeo, just be advised, I do show one target over November 45 at 1,700 indicated unverified.
We'll be looking for that traffic at 1,700, 758 Foxtrot Romeo.
Victor Tower 1210.
About 6 miles from there.
0 on their localizer, thanks, 30 Victor.
They said it's hard to see it.
1058 Fox Romeo, do you have the field in sight?
Negative, not as of yet, we're looking.
And that traffic now is just east of the field. Looks like he's northeastbound, indicating 1.6.
We'll keep an eye out for that traffic at 1.6. Right in front of us here, maybe.
It's a good chance you're going to have to overfly the field till we see what the hell it is.
Yeah, I know. That's alright, we'll see. It's all good. I'm no worried.
Yeah, you could overfly to 2,000 and just come around. Because their pattern is 1,400.
Yeah. That's got to be it right in front of us, right there. I see a lot of grass. I don't see a runway, though. It's not a grass runway. They have a regular runway.
No, it's a regular runway. Right in here, you think? Straight ahead here?
Straight ahead over there.
58 Fox Romeo, traffic.
You think this is it here?
It's about 3 to 4 northeast of the field.
He's still 3 northeast of the field.
3 northeast of the field, we're looking.
Not a factor anymore. And just let me know when you pick up the field.
Roger, we have the field in sight. Request frequency change.
58 Fox Romeo, it looks like he just took a turn out to the southwest towards the field again. Just keep an eye out for him. He's about 3 to the northeast, towards the field, 1.2 indicated. Just east of Gardner.
We'll keep an eye out for him. 758 Foxtrot Romeo.
Fox Romeo radio service terminated. Frequency change approved. Squawk VFR. We're going.
Squawk VFR 758 Foxtrot Romeo. What's the name of this airport again? Cobalt.
Cobalt.
Cobalt Unicom, November 758 Foxtrot Romeo. Anybody in the pattern? Cobalt Field, November 758 Foxtrot Romeo. Anybody in the pattern?
You want to fly over the field, so you got to turn.
Anybody in the pattern over Cobalt, 758 Foxtrot Romeo?
7585. I've been up for an hour. I haven't heard anybody announcing out in Coal Belt.
Hey, roger that. Thank you. We're about 2.5 miles out. We'll be landing at runway 3.
If we can find it.
That's it right there.
That's it, yeah. Alright.
I gotta lose some altitude. So,
Some helicopters on final 15.
That's it. There, isn't it?
That's not it right there?
Oh no, that doesn't look like an airport. What about straight ahead there? Yeah, straight ahead there.
Yep, okay.
That looks like an airport.
That's what I was pointing from back there, but I couldn't see the runway.
Yeah,
I could see all the grass, but no, that's just the grass.
That
that's a road. That's a road. I would have realized it before I got there.
Obviously. Well.
Yeah, let's make this.
Unless that's it. There.
Well, that's what I was just looking at, but that looks like a road, right?
Over there?
But it's just to the right here.
Oh, no.
What the f...
I think you gotta fly right over. Just fly over.
Yeah,
alright.
Downwind for runway 01, like a point.
Just come to the right, we'll come right over.
Listen, that road that we were laughing at, I think it's the airport, Scott.
No, I don't know. Well, look like a road.
I thought, listen, after second thought, I thought it was too, but I think that's the airport.
Alright, well.
That's it.
I'll be very happy if I see a runway there.
That looks like a runway to me.
Okay, it looks like we're coming at it. Go straight over here. No, straight. You're gonna.
Well, I'm gonna fly. I wanna. That's the airport. I can see the runway from here.
See it? Okay,
yeah,
as long
and
as
that's a site. That's a patch of hangars over there.
Okay, good.
So that's the airport.
Sounds good to me.
Alright, but now I gotta
reconnoiter yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, just do like a.
Yeah, do a little less. That's all. You know. That's definitely the airport.
Yeah, you gotta drop it right in there.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, if you go this way and back around, you'll be fine. Yeah, I see what you really gotta drop it in.
Yeah, I'm too close. I'm not gonna.
You gotta come around that way.
I'm too close anyway.
You lose some altitude now. Just put the flaps in.
Yeah, there it is.
Put the barn doors out. I think you're good.
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Just call it. There's a guy there.
I'm not worried.
There's a guy there. Just.
Call Belt Unicom 758 Foxtrot Romeo on short final. I'm 1 mile out on runway 3, Cobalt.
They give me a little high. Yeah.
All right.
Traffic.
I want to be a little high over these trees.
Okay. Field enter left traffic 1.
Because this thing, don't forget, with these 40 degrees of flaps, I'm holding it back right now. Once I stop holding it back, it's going to drop like a rock.
Okay. I see that. Dropping like a rock now. I come between the trees here.
Yeah, that's a little fucked up, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Beautiful. Awesome.
Thank you, sir. That is a tricky, I would not want to land here in the dark first time, I can tell you that.
I was going to say that. I thought it wasn't dark yet.
Fucking.
Since we can't even know if we could turn the lights on.
You gotta like the tree. You could have reached out and grabbed the tree almost.
I know that. when we take off, I'm doing a short field takeoff.
Yeah. And we got 2,800 feet of runway, so
no, I'm not worried about taking off. But now it's nice seeing what it looks like coming in during the light.
No wonder it's hard to see. It looks like somebody's driveway.
Like that's the road. No, that's the airport. That's funny.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a funny video.
Yeah.
This is where they're all screeching to come to the end when they're about to come out the end.
Oh, look, it's a hill there, too. You crashing into the... That's the airport. No, that's the airport. That looks like an airport over there.
That looks like a road. Actually, still looks like a road.
It does. I got news for you. It don't look any different than a taxiway. Look at it. It's pretty much this.
Did you notice that you haven't heard one word from the guy?
No, he didn't say a word, right?
I haven't heard one word from him.
We're on the right frequency.
Yeah.
Well, he took off quick, that guy. He got up in the air
got a
fast.
twin. And he didn't call nothing.
Nothing. He don't say a word, the guy. All right, good for him.
Yeah. You probably park on the grass.
Yeah.
Don't you think? That's what I would do. It's not wet.
I park on the grass right over here.
Yeah. Pull it back, pull it. Yeah, it's not wet. Fine.
No.
That's a good spot as any.
I'll face it out towards the...
Yeah,
I'm gonna pull it in under the tent so it stays dry.